My name is Feline Joy Cain Buscato. You can call me Joy Joy in short. I live in Arizona, Midsayap, Cotabato. As I describe my community, Arizona is located within the municipality of Midsayap in the province of North Cotabato. Simple and friendly community. My mother is Evelyn Cain Buscato and my father is Felix Lumagan Buscato Sr. My mother is a housewife and my father is a farmer. So we are 9 siblings consist of 3 boys and 5 girls. Our standard of living is a simple life and it's enough to provide our daily needs. My elementary level, I graduated at Arizona Elementary School, and during my junior and senior high school, I graduated at Arizona High School. As I describe my school that I've been graduated is a friendly school and high quality education. As I describe my school that I've been graduated is a friendly school and have a high quality teaching education. My course is Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I choose this course because I want to help other people and also I want to serve to our community and explore my capability this program. I expect in this course to socialize others and boost my confidence. I enrolled at Southern Christian College because it helped me to have a brighter future. So my sister-in-law and my friends influenced me to enroll here. I think SCC can give me a better future. My goals in life is to finish my degree and pay back to my parents' effort. To achieve it, I will focus my studies and enjoy. The hindrance that I will face to achieve my goals is a financial problem. 10 years from now, I'm hoping to see myself as successful and provide my own needs and my family wants. That's all. Thank you.